Everybody wants to make money, or at least needs to make money, and being able to make money and have flexibility is like a huge bonus. I have looked into doing all of these online jobs personally. That I haven't done all of them, but I have looked into them because I am a stay-at-home wife and a soon-to-be stay-at-home mom, and I need that kind of flexibility to be able to stay home and make money at the same time. I also don't have a degree or really any work experience, so when I was looking for possible online jobs for myself, I kept those things in mind. So since that's what I'm interested in, online jobs that don't require a degree, I figured I would share what I have found with you guys. So with that, let's get started. The first thing is narrating audiobooks. I thought this one was really interesting because I really like reading books, so why not read them out loud and then get paid for it. A lot of times you don't even need a fancy microphone. All you really need is your cell phone. So to me, not only does this one sound super fun, but it also gives you that flexibility that a lot of people are looking for. So you can check out freelance websites like Upwork or Fiverr, or you can check out a website called acx.com. Second, you can create or resell products online. We all know that the world we live in is just full of online shopping. eBay or Facebook Marketplace is a great way to resell products that you either find for really cheap online or at yard sales, thrift stores, etc. Tons of people do this, and I think it is just so cool. It sounds so fun to me just to go to thrift stores and stuff and just buy cheap stuff and resell it for a markup. That just sounds really fun to me. If you're really crafty, you can also try Etsy, or of course you can also make your own website and sell on there, whatever you feel like doing. This is a great way to turn a hobby into a successful business. I have actually had multiple friends that have turned their hobbies, like blanket making or sticker making, which are two examples of friends who have made successful businesses out of selling on Etsy or Facebook. Another idea is drop shipping. Now, if you don't know a lot about this, you can search on YouTube how to drop ship, and you can find all kinds of people that explain this. But drop shipping is super popular right now because it doesn't take a lot of work. It's really easy to do, and it's pretty fun. I actually dabbled in it a little bit. Next is a virtual assistant. This can range anywhere from answering phones, answering emails, organizing files, scheduling, editing videos, proofreading, etc. It can range from any of those things. So if you're really good at organizing, you can look for a job that focuses just on organizing. You'll probably have a couple other jobs in there too. Or if you like talking to people, maybe you could find some place that's hiring somebody that needs you to answer the phones. I have a lot of experience with video editing, so that is one thing that I looked into when I was looking at possible virtual assistant jobs that were for me, and literally you can find these jobs anywhere. Like any virtual assistant job, somebody is always looking for one. So this is a great idea that has a lot of potential. You can Google virtual assistant jobs or look at Indeed.com. Next is a YouTube or blog manager. This job is for you if you know the ins and outs of YouTube or running a blog. So with this, you kind of need experience either with YouTube or a blog, but you still don't need a degree, so that's a positive. Sometimes YouTubers and bloggers don't really want to have to worry about SEO and making titles and making thumbnails. They just want to be able to either write the post, or they just want to make the video and then they just want to hand it off to somebody else, and then that person does everything else. So that's pretty much what you would be doing as a YouTube or blog manager. So obviously the job will vary from person to person. It kind of depends who hires you, but you might be editing videos, editing blogs, uploading, making the thumbnails, even responding to emails. You might be in charge of growing the YouTube or the blog, understanding search engine optimization. Pretty much your successful YouTube channel or your successful blog is your resume for this. So that is kind of needed, as I said before. You can't really get away with this if you don't really have that resume. You can of course search Google that needs to hire a YouTube or blog manager, or you can check out Fiverr or Upwork. This one is pretty similar to a YouTube or blog manager, but this one is a social media manager. So maybe you're super successful at Instagram or Facebook and you know the ins and outs of growing their social media channels. Maybe there is a YouTuber out there and they don't really have the time or don't really know how to grow a social media channel. So that's where you would come in. Once again, the job title would kind of differ. You might be editing pictures, or you might be helping them come up with content. You might be posting the content. You might be working on SEO, trying to figure out how to grow that social media channel. Again, check out Fiverr, Upwork, I sound like a broken record here, or Indeed.com is a great place to look as well. The last one is transcribing, and I actually always thought this sounded really fun because I really am decent at typing and I think it's fun. If you don't know what transcribing is, it's when you watch a video and you turn that video into text. So you're just typing away while you're watching it, writing down every single word that that person says. A reason that someone might need a transcriber is if they're a YouTuber and they need to transcribe their videos so that they get better search engine optimization, or to help the hard of hearing community that needs to read the text. Some people also need transcribers because they want to turn their videos into blogs. Of course, you can check out Fiverr and Upwork, or you can Google transcribing jobs or check out Indeed.com. There are also websites that you can find, but I'm not too sure about those, so I'll leave that up to you where you want to find those kinds of jobs. So that is all I have for you guys today. If you like learning how to make money, how to manage money, and how to save money, then make sure you click that subscribe button. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.